So hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and this video will be a step-by-step guide on how to use Snapchat on Android phone. So if you do not have it already installed, then please go on the Play Store on your mobile phone, and there might be a search button at the bottom right corner. Please click on that and then type in Snapchat. Then there will be a option available for Snapchat in the yellow icon. If you do not have it installed, there will be install, but since I already had it pre-installed on my phone, there was an open button. So when you click on the Snapchat on your phone, it will lead you to various lens with different filters. So you can choose one as you like to suit your preference, and as you can see at the very top, there are some filters that are saved to favorite, and you can save these filters to favorite by clicking on the heart-shaped icon at the top left corner. As you can see, it has been added to favorites. You can also share these filters, and so now the filter that I had previously saved is in my favorites list. There are many filters according to the kind of picture that you want to click, and you can also search filters from the search bar at the very top. So here, as you can see, I chose a filter from the search bar, and now I can either click a picture with the filter on by simply tapping on the record button, or if I hold onto the record button for long, then I can also click a video with the filter on. And now if I click on the arrow-like button, I can also have an option to add music to the picture I recently clicked, so I can easily search it with the search bar. There will be recommendations. Pick the part of the song that I want to add. And now if I click on the plus-like icon with an emoji at the very top, I can also add new friends from it. I could also see my friend requests, and if I would like to accept it, then I would simply click on the accept button and it would simply add him or her as my friend. And if I wish to ignore it, then I would simply press on the cross at the side of the profile. It would give me a choice to if ignore or not. If I do want to, then I would click on the ignore button. As if you scroll down, there would also be a section of quick ads. So those are people that you have mutuals with and that are recommended by Snapchat. And now if you press on the three dots that are at the top right corner, they will give you three options to if you can see who are hidden from quick add, who are ignored from added me, who wish to, and who are recently added. And so as you go back, you can also see that you can zoom in or zoom out the lenses, and at the very right corner you can see a vertical bar with different features. There is the grid function, there is a timer. If you click on that, it will give you a 3-second timer, and click the picture, and as you can see with the picture, you can either save it, add it to your story, or send it to someone. The first option available is the text button, so you can write anything that you wish to. And the second option is for doodling. You could also change the select the color of your choice, do anything, change the color palettes, as you can see here. So there are different color palettes, and also you could select colors. You also have an emoji themed doodling palette, so you could click on any of the emojis. And so the third option is for stickers. You can have the stickers of your choice with your avatar. You can add anything. For now, I am selecting this, so you could adjust the size as you wish. And the fourth scissor like button is to make a sticker out of something already existing on your phone. So here I made a black patch. I cut out a black patch and added it onto my previous snaps. So by clicking on the send to button at the bottom right corner, I could send it to anybody. I could also add new filters, and that is the retouch button. So if you have a picture that needs retouching, that would be really useful. You can also add different attachments by sharing links through this button, and then you could also crop the image. You could extend the image using different tools, and then you could also set an timer. So if you wish to set the timer to infinity, then the person who is receiving on the other end will be able to save it in chat, or else they will not be able to. So there are also premium features with 0.5 seconds, 0.10 seconds. So now as I click on the send to button, I can have a look at all of my friend list, and I could send it to anybody. As I come back to the homepage, there are different features, and the multi-snap feature allows you to take multiple snaps at a time, but its limit is 10 pictures at a time, and so you could either send all of the 10 pictures to any of your friends. Also are many other features such as focus, timer, grid, and also searching music as I talked before. So as you press on the people's option at the very bottom corner, you can also have a look at other people's stories or have a vertical scrolling feature just like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So as you press on the bottom left icon, it will take you to maps. You can see your friend's location if they have shared it, or you could also share your location. So as you can see here, you could allow it or don't allow it as per your choice. So now as you come and setting your profile or changing your profile, if you click at your avatar at the top left corner, then it leads you to your profile. And as you scroll down, you can see various features such as adding to your story. You also have a share button to share your profile with others. So as you can see here, you can add to your story, or you can also see the lenses that you had previously saved in your favorites. And you also have the changing cameo. Cameo is something that the Snapchat uses your face on to add on different stickers so that it can be fun with your friends. And now if you click on the gallery like icon, then you could change your background and poses for your avatar. And if you click on the hanger like icon, you could change your dress up and your style to make it more like you. And if you wish to log out afterwards, you can click on the settings icon at the top right corner, and then you could just scroll down, see all of the features available in the settings, and also at last there is the log out button. You could just click on log out and it will log you out of your account. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you.